All right, well, welcome back. We're going to spend some time out in the forest today. So yesterday I finished that video on the PowerFist electric chainsaw sharpener, and Mrs. from the Woods reminded me that I didn't go out to the forest to test how sharp the chain was. So I'm going to rectify that right now. We're going to test the chain first thing, and we're going to also utilize the ultimate chainsaw accessory, which is the log marker. So we got a couple of trees here we're going to take down today, turn into firewood. I don't think any of it is serviceable lumber other than firewood. So yeah, glad you could join us today. And a little bit chilly out today, but beautiful sunny, and we're going to enjoy some time outdoors. So glad you could come, and I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. We have a couple of trees here in this section of the forest that are dead standing, and they're going to come down today. One 6-incher there, about an 8-incher there, and a couple smaller ones, 3 to 4-inch diameters. So we've got the chainsaw warmed up. We'll fire it up and get these trees down. Okay, well, you can see why this tree died. There's all kinds of holes from insects boring into it, and there's even some casings from the insects still in the holes. More apparent on this one here. So there's some casings of the insects still in the holes. Just seems to be at the base of the tree, because where I cut it down, there isn't a whole lot of evidence of that. So we're going to delimb this tree, cut it into 16-inch lengths with the marker, and put it on the splitter. Now, I'm not one for patting myself on the back, but man, talk about an accurate fall right in between the trees. I'm pretty sure my son-in-law would be duly impressed. All right, looks like the chain is reasonably sharp. We've got some good shavings out of the logs. We've got it cut down close to the ground. I cross hatch it. I guess that's more to help it rot away. We've got the log cut into rounds, and the chainsaw cut through that pretty good. And now we're going to haul it over to the firewood processing area and get it split. All right, well, I think that's it for today. I looked over to the house and saw the grandkids arrive, so we're gonna have to go spend some time with them. But yeah, it was still nice to spend a bit of time out in the forest, and we got one tree down, cut into rounds, brought to the firewood processing area, so we'll have to save splitting for another day. But yeah, the chainsaw seems sharp enough, so I'm going to give a thumbs up to the PowerFist electric chainsaw sharpener. Probably a bit of a learning curve, like I said before, but we'll get better at it. But we're glad that you could join us on this video, and if you like this type of content, we would love it if you would subscribe, like, and share, and join us again for another video coming soon. Thanks for watching.